Hello students, in this video we will deal with a chapter from literature, Bro Tiger Goes Dead by James Berry. This is an extract from a collection of Jamaican stories called the Nancy Stories. Okay. Here in this story you will find we are having animal characters which are so human that they easily resemble the ordinary folk we live with in our societies, towns and villages. It means story में आप देखोगे animal characters है. Story is based on animal characters. We are having different animals in this story. लेकिन वो resemble करता है हमारी day to day life की activities on how we lives in our societies, behavior of the peoples in the society. Okay, it is an entertaining story, children, that tells the story of how a clever spider, we are having one spider who used to be clever, he outwits a ferocious tiger by using his brains. Students, in this story you will find that a tiger, that is Bro Tiger, and a spider Nancy, whose name was Nancy, they engage in a battle of superiority. They want to prove कि मैं superior हूँ, like that ना, which at last won by Spider Nancy by using his intelligence and wit. Means अपनी होशियारी और बुद्धि से, चतुराई और बुद्धि से वो टाइगर से जीतता है. Students, first tell me, can a small physically weak defenseless person stand up to the might of a big physically stronger bully? Yes, he can. Means कोई weak किसी stronger के against खड़ा हो सकता है? तो yes, the answer is yes, he can, if he uses his intelligence and common sense. So here is a delightful story. In this story you will find that how a weak survive if they use their brains. Let's start the reading of the story. Okay, you all take your books and read along with me and listen the explanation carefully. Tiger swears he is going to crack up Nancy's bones once and for all. Tiger goes to bed. Swears means he just make a promise to himself. Okay, so the tiger, I told you the characters, na, Bro Tiger is one of the character and another one is Nancy, the spider. Bro word we used with tiger in a friendly way. Bro is just a friendly way to address a male person. Okay, so here story starts with a promise that tiger makes to himself to break Nancy's bones, and he goes to his bed. And why he wants to break the Nancy's bones? Maybe Nancy made some trouble to tiger, that's why he is having this promise to himself. So for that he was planning, and under his plan he goes to his bed. Next, Bro Tiger lies down in his bed, all still and stiff. Or still and stiff means, it is a phrase means no movement, without any movement. Okay, wrapped up in a sheet. Bro Tiger says to himself, I know that Nancy will come and look at me. The brute means the man who treats people in an unkind way, cruel way. Okay, cruel. So he is calling Nancy as a cruel. Will want to make sure I am dead. He will want to see how I look when I am dead. And that is when I am going to collar him up. Collar him up means hold him up. Oh, how I am going to grab that Nancy and finish him. Here the author says that people call tiger as Bro Tiger. I already told you that bro is a friendly way to call a male person. Okay, you will find here that under his planning, tiger lied on his bed without any movement. What he want to prove by this? He want to prove that he is dead, and he was sure that cruel Nancy will surely come to see me. Okay, means see him, and that time only he will grab Nancy. That was his plan to finish him, finish the Nancy. Okay, means tiger was having a plan कि let me pretend that I am dead, मैं मर चुका हूँ, and he was sure कि Nancy आएगा, and that time I am going to hold him up and crush him, means finish him. Okay, that was his plan. So let's read further what happens. Bro Tiger calls his wife. He tells his wife she should begin to bawl. Now what is bawl? BAWL. Bawl means crying very loudly in a very unpleasant and annoying way. Okay. She should bawl and cry and wail as loud as she can. She should stand in the yard, put her hands on the top of her head and holler. Zor zor se, shout loudly, okay, to let everybody know her husband is dead. And Mrs. Tiger does that. So, under his planning, what was the next step? He asked his wife, उसने अपनी wife से कहा, to cry in such a loud manner so that everybody will convince, they all come to know that her husband is dead. And she followed his instructions and she went out and started crying. Okay. Next, Mrs. Tiger bawls and bawls so loud that people begin to wonder if all her family and is suddenly dead and not just her husband. So children, Mrs. Tiger, she left she moved out of house, and in the veranda she started crying loudly and in such a manner that all the people of the colony, they all were surprised and gathered immediately in her house within a moment. Now see page 68. Village people come and crowd in the yard. Quick, quick. Everybody is worried and sad and full of sympathy. The people talk to one another. Fancy how Bro Tiger is dead sudden. Yes, fancy how he is dead sudden. All dead and gone. So here you will find when within a moment when all peoples of that colony gathered in the house of Tiger, they all were talking with each other. And all of them were having the same question, that how means sudden death, about the sudden death of Tiger, and what's the reason? No, means they heard nothing, and how suddenly he get died, and all. They all were having that query in their mind. Okay. Then next, Anansi also hears the mournful death howling. Mournful means the very sad. Mournful, dukh में रोना जिसे कहते हैं, that is very sad. And howling means loud cry. Na? The tiger's wife was crying. So when Nancy hears it, he says to himself, funny how Bro Tiger is dead. Bro Tiger is such a strong and healthy man. Bro Tiger is such a well-fed man. Bro Tiger is dead and I have heard nothing about his sickness. So he was having actually a query in his mind. So when Nancy heard this sad news, that he started thinking, and he was having lots of questions. How a strong and healthy man who was not sick is going to die suddenly? So he was having all this doubt in his mind. Let's state what happened. Nancy finds himself at Tiger's yard, like the rest of the crowd. Straight away, Nancy says to his son, Tecoma, did you happen to hear Bro Tiger had an illness? Tecoma shakes his head. No, heard nothing at all. Nancy goes to Dog. Bro Dog, did you happen to hear Bro Tiger had an illness? Bro Dog shakes his head. No, heard nothing at all. Nancy goes to Monkey and Puss and Ram Goat and Jackass and Pattu and asks the same question. Everyone gives a sad shake of the head and says, No, heard nothing at all. The crowd surrounds Nancy. Everybody starts up saying, Bro Tiger showed no sign of illness. Death happened so sudden, Bro Nancy, so sudden. So when with a doubt in his mind, Nancy reached to Tiger's yard. What doubt he was having, children? Ki such a healthy and a person who was not sick, uski death sudden kaise ho gayi? So he was having that doubt in his mind. So when he reached to the Tiger's yard, first he asked to his son Tecoma about anything he heard about Tiger's death. His son told him that he heard nothing about Tiger's illness. The same question he asked with other peoples standing over the other animals of the colony, dog, then monkey, then goat, means so many other. And everybody replied the same thing, that they heard nothing about the sickness or illness, any kind of illness the tiger had. So Nancy says, what he says? Did anybody call a doctor? The people shake their heads again and say what they said. That would have been no use, bro Nancy, no use at all. So after when everybody denied that they heard nothing about the sickness or illness of Tiger, Nancy asked them, क्या आप लोगों ने डॉक्टर को बुलाया? तो the peoples replied that it is of no use. अभी काफी देर हो गई है bro Nancy, it is of no use. Okay. Then before, again Nancy had one statement question. Before death came on, did Tiger call the name of the Lord? Did he whimper? Whimper means क्या उसने आवाज मीन्स रोने की आवाज, क्राइंग मीन्स धीरे से रोने की आवाज निकाली थी? Did he cry out? He did not have the time, bro Nancy. He did not have the time. Everybody says it was also sudden. So when Nancy said that before his death, did the tiger call the name of a lord? भगवान का नाम लिया, क्या उसने रोया? So everybody replied, no, everything happened so suddenly that he had done, means no, all these things he had done. Listen to Nancy now talking at the top of his voice. When all these things Nancy was talking, means all his queries, all his doubts of his mind, he was sharing with other animals gathered there. All this was heard by the tiger, who was just pretending ना, वो सिर्फ एक act कर रहा था. That's why he was listening all these things. So now Nancy is having another question. What kind of man is Tiger? Doesn't Tiger know that no good man can meet his blessed Lord sudden and not shudder and cry out? So Nancy is again having one question, that comment over here, that children, here actually the writer tells that Nancy raised his voice, means in a loud voice, and he started saying that, doesn't Tiger know, क्या उसे नहीं पता, that no good man can die without shuddering and crying out? Students, actually here Nancy was trying to trick Tiger to find out the truth, whether he is dead or not. Let's read the next. Tiger hears Nancy. Tiger feels stupid. Tiger feels he has made a silly mistake. Bro Tiger gives the loudest roar he has ever made. So here we come to know, by this para we come to know that Nancy's trick got succeed, as the tiger thought, how stupid I am and such a silly mistake I made. So he roars loudly, which reveals the fact that he is not dead. So children, when Nancy was commenting कि ऐसे कैसे, क्या टाइगर को पता नहीं है उसकी अचानक डेथ कैसे हो सकती है, क्या उसे पता नहीं है कि उसे मीन्स ऐसी आवाज निकालनी चाहिए, गॉड का नाम, लॉर्ड को याद करना चाहिए, इस तरीके से रोते हुए उसकी डेथ होनी चाहिए, तभी वो लॉर्ड को मिलेगा. सो टाइगर थॉट कि मैंने इतना सिली मिस्टेक कैसे कर दिया, एंड ही रोड इन अ लाउड मैनर. Next, what happens? See, Nancy bursts out laughing. Nancy says, friends, did you hear that? Did you hear that? Has anyone here ever heard a dead man cry out? Nobody answers Nancy. Everybody sees that he is right. So when Tiger roars loudly to prove Nancy that he is dead, Nancy won't able to control his laugh, and he started laughing loudly and asked everyone standing there, has anyone heard a dead man cry out? In this way he proved that Bro Tiger is alive. At the same time, Bro Tiger also understands that his plan is fail. So let's see what he did then. By the time Bro Tiger jumps out of the sheet on the bed to come after Nancy, he is gone. Bro Nancy is well away. Nobody even talks to Bro Tiger now. Everybody just leaves Bro Tiger's place without a single word. So children, when Bro Tiger found that his plan is fail, he jumped to hold the Nancy, but by that time Nancy ran away. Okay, he left the yard. And all the villagers also quietly they left the Bro Tiger's house, and they were very angry on this act of Bro Tiger. And they all they were not talking to Bro Tiger. They were they were not happy with the tiger's act. Okay, so by this story, children, you will learn that a small or physically weak person can also stand up in front of a physically stronger bully. By just the thing is that the person should make use of his intelligence and common sense. I hope you enjoyed the story.